Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Gunjan Hazarika. Today, I'm going to give you a bit of insight about our amazing academy. It's called the Rise Academy. First of all, let me introduce myself. My background is I come from the television industry. I've been a producer director for the last 24 years. And I joined Rise on day one. And since then, my life has completely transformed. That's what I would say. In numbers of ways. First of all, the reason that I believe it's not about the money that we able to make in this company, but mostly the skill set that we have able to acquire and develop ourselves for better. And that has been my biggest growth. And I'm very excited to share the Rise Academy. The reason why, because I'm someone from nothing to do with financial industry, nothing to do with trading. I've not been in that world at all. I didn't even knew this world existed before I joined Rise. My life has been producing television shows, making content, broadcasting them on television, had a successful career. And then when I came to know about this Forex industry where $6.6 trillion are rotated every single day. And you can, if you learn how to predict the market, you can make money from home. And that was a game changer in my mind. As something, if I invest an hour or two in a day or in the evening, and if I can learn the art of trading, I can make some extra money. And that was my goal. So what is Forex? Forex is very simple. As simply I can explain you is this, that say, for example, you live in UK and now you want to go to America. Of course, when you go there, you can't spend pound. What you need is dollars, right? So what we do, we go to one of the exchanges and we exchange our pound to a dollar. Now, on that day, there'll be exchange rate. And based on that rate, we get the amount of dollars that we receive. Now, imagine this, say you come back without spending a single penny. And now what would you do? You'll again exchange those dollars and convert them into pound, because that's what you need in UK. But that day exchange rate might be different because every single day the exchange rates changes. So now what happens? So if the exchange rate is higher, you might make more money. If it's lower, you might get less money, right? Depending on what the exchange rates are. And that's called trading. So what you've done, you traded one currency to another, and then vice versa. So depending on the exchange rate, you can actually lose money, and depending on the exchange rate, you can make money. And that's what trading is all about. Now, how does it relate to you? How it relates to us is that as an individual now, we can do this trading every single day live. And literally, if you learn how to predict whether the exchange rate is going to go higher or lower than the market value today, you can make money. And the good news is it doesn't have to go only higher to make money, or it has to go lower to make money. You can make money both ways. If it goes higher, you make money. If it goes lower, you can make money. How is that possible? Because all you're doing is predicting what's happening. If you can predict that today market is going to go, the price is going to go higher, you can buy. And if the market is going to go lower, you can go sell. And that's only two things you learn in academy: when to predict it's a buy, when to predict it's a sell, right? So I'm going to go show you a little bit how that works. But predicting that is not as simple, right? Then everyone would be making money every single day sitting at home. But how do you do that? And that's where Rise Academy comes. We've got some amazing trainers. First of all, let me show you the website, how it works. So let me share my screen, and then it'll be easy for you to understand. So here you go. So this is our website. It's called Rise Academy. And you can learn a lot of things here, you see. So what is Academy, why, and how, all those things you can rely on. And then you see the different packages we have in the Academy. What we cover is three basic markets. One market is called the Forex market, which is a currency market, where we predict the movement of the currencies. It can be any pair. It could be dollars versus euros, dollars versus pounds, dollar versus yen. It could be anything. Similarly, euro versus yen, euro versus pounds. So all these exchanges are there in the market for you to see and predict, and that's the forex market. Second is the stock market, which is, we call it the indices market, and that is also special trading, completely different. We got trainers who train you on indices market, like Clifford Chicona. He's an expert in that market, and he predicts the Nasdaqs, the S&Ps, and DJs, and all those markets. Okay. And then there's another commodity market, which is the gold and the silver market. Okay. So these are the three main areas. So the way we trade is, one, there are a group of trainers who will teach you how to trade in the forex market, which is the currency market. There are a group of traders who are going to teach, these are professionals, by the way. Okay. They will teach you how to trade in the stock market. And there's a third element where we do something called hyper trading. Hyper trading is trading in minutes, literally. Like generally, forex market or the indices market is a whole day market. It's a long term. It could be 4 hours. It could be the whole day. It could be 2 days, 3 days trading. But hyper trading is minutes, 3 minutes trading, 5 minutes trading. So you can literally predict what happens in the next 5 minutes or next 10 minutes. You can make money or lose money, either way. Okay. So there we got a special coach who's going to teach you how to do that in the hyper trading market. So these are the three aspects you learn in the academy. You can choose to learn all three. You can choose to learn one. It's all up to you. And that enrollment feature will give you the options. And what we do, not only teach you through live webinars, we also teach you, we also send you trade ideas. Now, if you're new to the trading world, of course, you don't want to be putting your real money and try to trade. What you need to do is learn, right? So what you do, you open up a demo account. So we need a broker. We will suggest you which brokers you can use, the ones we are using comfortably. So you can use one of those brokers and request a demo account. They'll give you like 100,000 pounds and dollars worth of fake money, literally, for you to practice. Okay. And this is called a demo account, and you can use those trade ideas, learn how to copy them, because our traders will send you every day, literally. Forex market, indices market, or for hyper, you'll do live with our trader. That there's no signal for that. That you do it live. But other two, you get receive signals through an app. So once you join the academy, our company will send you an app to download, where there's a button of copy and paste. You can copy and paste those trade ideas into your trade and let it run, literally. And you can earn profits or you can lose money depending on how the prediction has been, how good it has been. Okay. And if you see, most of our traders' success rate has been extremely good, more than 75% more, and that's profitable. If it's anything beyond 75% to 80%, is a profitable trades. Okay. So you will learn that. So now, so that's what you see here, and you can go through our website. There's a link. It's called ariseacademy.life. That's the website. Very simple name. This name of the product, ariseacademy.life. And then you will also have a Telegram, where you will be able to go and see the updates. And there are a lot of, they will update you that there's a live webinar going to take place. We have on the photograph here, that's Clifford Chicona. Cliff Chicona completely, he's an expert in the indices market, which is the stock market. On the left is Marcus. Marcus is mostly forex trader, plus also he trades in commodities like gold and silver. He'll send you trade ideas, he'll teach you that. And Mr. Nestor Pipin on the right is someone who does hyper trading. So with him, you'll be able to sit live with him, literally open your computer, he'll open his computer, and he'll show you what trade he's taking. So as soon as whatever he'll tell you, okay, we're going to buy now, you go buy now. But you go sell now, you go sell now. Okay. So that's what will happen. So there's a lot of videos you learn. So these are the amazing people. So all this, so like Academy will teach you. Now let me show you how, what kind of teaching you learn. I'll give you a bit of overview of what I have learned. So when I started learning, of course, my goal was to learn more and earn was not in my mind, because I understand one thing: if I want to be a doctor and make an amazing career, I cannot go to a university and start looking at patients, start expecting to make money, right? I have to dedicate myself to the learning of the trade and then go and treat the patients. That's my mindset. Okay. A lot of people come here who want to make money from day one, right? Either you come to make money or you want to learn and make money for life. It's your decision. I want to make money for life. So what I did, learn. So a couple of things you will learn here. First of all, you learn how to read the charts. Okay. Every market here, there's a green candles. We call this candlesticks, like green bars and the red bars. Each bar is counted as called as candlesticks. Now you can watch these candlesticks in different time frames, from 1 minute to 1 day to 30 minutes, 15 seconds, and they will all show you exactly what's happened in last 1 hour. So right now, like this is a NAS 100, it's a NASDAQ market. And if you see right now, there's a green candlestick forming at this time, 7 minutes left to complete this candlestick because I'm on the 1 hour time frame. And that candlestick represents that there's a buy is going on at this time. The price is going up. Okay. And similarly, you can look at the time, 4 hours. 4 hours will show you that there's 2 hours left for the candlestick to finish. It was going on sell, but it's retreating. Okay. All these things you will learn. Even if you look, you can literally look that same within a smaller time frame. What's happening in the last 5 minutes? In the last 5 minutes, the market seems to be going up. Okay. So that's how this one works. You can also look at the gold market. This is how the gold market charts looks like. So right now, gold market is falling. And the price is falling down. You can look at USD JPY, which is dollar versus yen. So dollar is proving to be stronger. And look, the price is going on. So what you will learn is how to predict this market. What is today's trend, for example, right? What has been the movements like? So if you look at here, you learn how to draw these lines. So for example, from here, if I draw a line this way, and then if I draw a line, let me move this one slightly. Now, if you draw a line here, from here, you can draw a line, this movement here. So this shows you that if you see this way, then it makes sense. Oh, over some period of time, the market is actually dropping, falling, right? So this is called downtrend. And when you see the other way, in the last some time, you can see the market is on an upward movement from here, you see. So you learn all this concept, what is uptrend, what is downtrend, and how does it influence you as a trader, what you should be doing, should you be buying, should you be selling, and all those things. Okay, so these are the things you learn. So these charts you learn, and also what you need is a trading platform. So you'll be able to open up a trading platform with one of the traders here, and then you can see, you can buy or sell, whatever you want to do. For example, say the market is at a critical junction here, and there's a resistance at this point. The red line is the resistance. If it breaks through here, then we can say the Nasdaq market should be moving upwards in these directions. Okay, so at this point, probably you would like to wait, and this is what we learn. And then once you move from here, then you can choose what you want to do. So if you believe the market is going to go for buy from here, you would go into the buy, and then you can say how much quantity you'd like to use with the trader and buy. And same as for sell, if you think though no, market is not going to go, this resistance is strong, it probably will drop back again like it dropped previously, then you go for sell. But it's all about predicting what's going to happen from this stage, right? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is in a critical juncture? So these are the things that you will learn in the academy, and it's fantastic. I would say generally from my experience, I have seen that trading market, a lot of people out there are trying to coach, and they just like ridiculous amount of money for you to learn. Whereas academy in that respect is cheap. Because in few £100 you can literally month by month you can pay subscription and learn it. But if you go to one of the outside trader, I've been asked 5 grand, 6 grand, 10 grand, and that's a ridiculous amount of money, you know. And with academy, even if you took the academy for the whole year, and learn it, even still you won't be spending kind of money they are asking. So you get what I mean. So academy is worth it, and plus you learn how to trade, plus you learn how to make money every single day. Hey, listen, I would say don't just focus on making money, but focus on learning. And you don't have to spend the whole day. It's not a university like you go into the class in the morning and then come out in the evening. What you do is spend an evening, an hour a day, use the skill set, because especially during the lockdown when happened, about 12 million people within 1 month came into the trading world to learn. Why? Because they saw that, hey, listen, the world is changing. Traditional way of doing things are no more the same. We need to have more skills and learn something new, and focus on it. And maybe within few years time, you can become a professional. Okay. Trading academy, trading is, if you spend years, it took me about 1.5 to 2 years to be where I am. The reason why I say that, if you look at my uh, uh, I actually share trade ideas with people here, and then I'll show you, these are the trade ideas I personally send to the teams that I have. So what does that mean? What I mean? So I have a group of team members who are trading with us, and what I do for free, because company is sending their trade ideas, right? This is, I've developed a skill. I especially specialize on gold trading, and I share trade ideas every single day. And today also I shared a trade idea, and we hit about 110 pips today. So that's not bad at all, right? On gold, if you make 110 pips, you can make some money. So people made some money today, right? It's very simple. So you'll be part of our group as well. This is only for TeamRise. We call ourselves TeamRise. So if you're part of TeamRise and you subscribe to the academy, you will be part of this gold trade channel, and I will send you personally these trade ideas which you can use. Okay. My success rate has been relatively good. I'm not 100% trader, but if you see, last in May, I shared all these trade ideas. So I got about me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 trades I sent. 2 were losses and 18s were in profit. So you can make your math that if you take all my trades, you will be in a profit zone. Okay, with 2 losses, 18 wins, you can lose. So these are the stuff that you will learn, and you will sorry, was I not sharing that? Oh my god, let me share it again. Sorry, my bad. So there we go. So this is the channel I was talking about. Here we go. And these are the trades I was talking to you about. These are 20 trades I sent. This is the group you'll receive. You'll be a part of. Look, people get excited, when we hit all our profits, and they put emojis, and our team is excited, right? So there we go. Today we hit 2 profit zones, and this is last May's trade results. These are the ones out of the 20 trades I sent on just on gold. We did 2 losses and 18 profits. So if you've taken all of them, you'll make money out of it. Okay, so we got plenty for you to look into. We got academy, we got the traders sending you trade ideas for you to copy and paste. Plus, if you're part of our group, our organization called TeamRise, and you're subscribed to the academy, you will be able to receive my trade ideas too. So imagine, from being a television producer director with no knowledge about trading, I have able to start predicting this market within 2 years of time. So what my goal is for the rest of my life, of course, this is what I would see as going into and making a big career out of it, because I see a huge potential. But you have got to be patient. You got to dedicate yourself to learning. I didn't spend a lot of time. I used to spend small half an hour, 1 hour a day, here and there, not necessarily every day. But as I got interested more and more, as I started learning more, I got more and more interested, and I invested more and more time into it, right? Just because I see what I'm learning is profiting me. And in trading, we say you can never lose. Why? Because even if you lost some money, you will learn from it, right? What not to do. So it's very important to understand what to do and what not to do, both, and you learn all of it. So that's the amazing thing. Like, this is what I was saying. If it doesn't break, it can drop. Look, there we go. So if the market couldn't break that red line, so now it's dropping. So let's see if this doesn't happen. This might continue to drop towards this zone here now. Okay, so these things you will learn, and I would say that's a Rise Academy for you. Be a part of it. Be a part of our group. I'm here to help you personally if you're part of our team, and you can ask me questions. You'll have my phone number. I'm not part of the training team from the company, but because I've learned, I help my team to learn and share my ideas, share what I think is the market doing. A lot of people said this, and this is what do you think today is going to happen. I share my opinions, so, and you can personally interact, and we can make something big out of this. I would say a Rise Academy is a good investment, as a good tuition. You'll get good tuitions, and you'll learn a lot of content. You'll learn mindset. You'll have a new skill set, and this will help you in long term. Only thing, if you're a part of the academy, don't come with a short-term mind. Okay, have a long-term goal, because profits are made on a long-term goal. Short-term goal doesn't make you profit. Okay, they give you a few bucks here and there. All right. Then thank you for listening to me. I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, reach out to me. Give me a call if I haven't covered anything. If you've got extra questions, just send it to me. I'll be more than happy to help you and answer as many questions as possible. Have a great evening, and over to the other leaders for the training. Thank you so much.